how to redeem YouTube code. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem YouTube code or YouTube premium code. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through. In order to redeem the code for YouTube, what you want to do is, instead of opening the application, you want to head into your browser on any device. Once on your browser, what you want to do is, at the search bar, you want to type in youtube.com/redeem. You can see here you want to tap on youtube.com/redeem, and here you'll be able to head to this link where it says youtube.com/redeem. As you can see here now, make sure you're logged into the particular account. You can tap on the profile icon at the right hand side of the screen and then switch in between your accounts, and then enter in your code and then tap on next, and then go ahead through the prompts and redeem the code. So this is the way that you can easily redeem the code on YouTube. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.